Stop the clock. Stop the clock for a foul. Start the clock. Scoring. 1 point. 2 point. 3 points. Stop the clock. Stop the clock for a foul. Start the clock. For scoring hand signal. 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 1 hand for attempt. 2 hands for successful. For substitution and timeout. Substitution. Beckoning in. Charge timeout. Media timeout. For informative. Cancel score. Cancel play. Visible count. Communication. Block reset. Direction to play and or out of bounds. Held ball or jump ball situation. Traveling. Illegal dribble. Illegal dribble. Double dribbling. Illegal dribble carrying the ball. For violation, 3 seconds. 5 seconds. 8 seconds. 24 seconds. Ball return to the backcourt. Ball return to the backcourt. Deliberate kick or hit the ball. Numbers of players. Number 00 and number 00. Number 0. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Number 16, number 24, number 40, number 62, number 78, number 99. For the types of fouls: holding, blocking defense and illegal screen defense, pushing or charging without ball, hand checking, illegal use of hands, charging with ball, illegal contact to the hand, hooking, excessive switching of elbow, hit to the head, foul by a team in control of the ball. Foul in the act of shooting. Foul not on the act of shooting. Special fouls. Double foul. Technical foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. Disqualifying foul. Fake foul. Illegal boundary line crossing on the throw-in. IRS review. After foul without free throws. After foul by a team in control of the ball. Foul penalty administration reporting the table. 1 free throw. 2 free throws. 3 free throws. Administering free throws active official lead. 1 free throws. 2 free throws. 3 free throws. Administering free throws passive official trail 2 PO and center of 3 PO. 1 free throws. 2 free throws. 3 free throws.